Hello everyone, let's now move further with another activity. Here we are going to show you how we can create these beautiful lavender flowers. Lavender flowers are so attractive and so beautiful that everyone just fell in love with the color and the shape of the flower. Today we are going to make this beautiful flower out of this lavender sheet of the paper. You can use any other color because here we are specifically saying that this flower is the lavender ones here, hence we are using this purplish lavender shade. You can even make use of any other shade because it's all choice is yours. This one is very simple and very easy. It's best suitable for the kids between the age group of 10 to 11. You can just pause the video so that you don't get confused at any particular step. You may require a refill also so that you can just give the curvy look to the petals. Green colored sheet is also required for just adding more and more leafy areas and the greenery to this type of the flower. You can just pause the video and then see each step in a focused way so that you may not get confused and you can just make it perfectly. This looks so nice and easy. Just go for this one. Don't forget to just add the stalk also, over which you can just hold this flower. This is going to be very beautiful. Just see it. You just have to keep some of the patience because this one is a little bit time consuming activity, but it's going to turn beautiful at the end. See how this beautiful flower turns to be at the end. Once you are done with it, you can add more and more such flowers so that our whole branch is full of the flowers is ready. Let's move further with another type of the activity. Here I'm taking this red sheet of the paper and see how I'm just folding it. It's just a simple if a square sheet of the paper and I'm just folding and giving it a different turn so that I can create creases out of it. You can just pause the video then follow each step in a sequential manner. You don't have to skip any particular step because that will just ruin each and everything. You just have to be careful while you're trying to create this cute little toy. Let's move further with another activity. Here I'm taking this small tiny sheet of the paper and I'm just trimming it using the scissors. See how I'm just creating some of the tiny cute little stalk type of the look, or I can say the tassel type of the look. Then you just have to open it very carefully because it will just get into pieces because this paper is very delicate. Here I'm using this single colorful sheet of the paper. You can even make use of the glaze papers, but glaze papers are more delicate. It's better that you should use the normal colorful sheet of the paper. Then fix it at the proper position using the glue. You just have to make the stalk and place all these flowers at the proper position using the super glue or simple glue stick. Then add the leaves in the background. Let's move further with another type of the activity. Here I'm taking this blue sheet of the paper and I'm just folding it, creating more creases out of it. These type of the activities are very simple and very easy. It's best suitable for the kids between the age group of 9 to 11 years. You just have to fold and roll and create some of the creases, then refold and open it. The paper has a good property that you can mold it in different shades and you can create the different objects out of it. Make use of the scissors also for just trimming and cutting these things in the proper position. Be careful while you are making use of the scissors. You can just take the assistance of any adult and add more features of this fish. Thank you for watching.